In this video, I'll show you how to check your Instagram Notes history. Before we begin, it's important to know that Instagram does not currently have a built-in Notes history feature. However, you may be able to find past notes by downloading your Instagram data. First, open Instagram and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Account Center. Under Account Settings, select your information and permissions. Next, tap Download your information. Then select Download or Transfer information. Choose All available information, since Instagram does not provide a note-specific download option. Tap Download to device, and then Continue. You can choose a date range, notification email, and file format if needed. Once everything is set up, tap Create Files. Instagram will begin preparing your data and will notify you when the download is ready. After downloading the file, review the included account information to see if your past notes are available in the exported data. And that's how to check your Instagram Notes history. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.